Hello guys, today I'm going to discuss about ABB Robot Flex Fendant Navigation ICR5 by Automation's Academy TV. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. The specific learning objectives at the end of these presentations, the viewer will learn the following: the importance of lockout tagout, both electrical and pneumatic, familiarize the functions of ditch pendant, know how the functions of manual to auto mode and how it works, identify the alarm on ditch pendant and how to reset it, know the functions of 3 positions enabling button, know how to recover e-stop, know the functions of robot 6-axis. Lockout tagout. Before doing any repair or major maintenance, don't forget to put lockout tagout on both the controller and pneumatic valve, supplying the robot, and specify your name and position. This is the disconnect of the main controller. Emergency stop. We have 2 e-stop built in, one in the controller and one in the flex pendant. You can also add additional e-stop that can be attached to supply your safety circuit. This is the e-stop for your controller, and this is the e-stop for the flex pendant. Familiarize the functions of ditch pendant. Here is the ditch pendant. We're gonna do first here. Robot fault alarm. So this is the indication now is we have a fault. So to acknowledge this, just press this acknowledge button. This is the main menu. This one, and the main menu access to hello world, hot edit, input and outputs, jogging, production window, production editor, program data, backup and restore, calibration, control panel, event log, flex pendant explorer, system information, log off and restart. This one we're going to discuss this on the next video. The next one is the taskbar, maximum of 6 program that is open. This is the production window, jogging window, and this is one of the program of the robots. So you can have 3 more. Then after that, you need to close this in order to do more. The quick set menu. This is the quick set menu. Here is, if you click this one, this is what you are going to see. Quick set menu, access to possessions of the axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the position is 4 to 6. So this one 4, 5, 6. We're going to discuss this also detailed on the next video. So just now, the position of axis 1 is 11.5 degrees. The position of axis 2 is 41.7 degrees. Mechanical unit. So this is the robot 1. Motion mode, axis 4 and 6, because here we are axis 4 and 6. Work object. So increment, none. We're going to discuss this on the next slides. Joystick, none. We're going to discuss this also on the next slides. Continuation with the familiarizations. Motor running on and running 100%. So this is the indication that our motor is running on and the running speed is 100%. So that means we are in auto. So at the bottom, we have a play, step, and stop button. Now, after you put the robot from manual to auto, you need to press play in order for the robot to run. If you're going to stop the robot, you can stop it even though it is in auto or it is in manual mode. So the step button, step to the next routine, step backward to the next routine. You can only do this one using manual mode. Continue with the familiarization function of teach pendant. Here we have the mechanical unit. This is the robot. This is the robot or the external axis. This one, when you go to linear or reorient, and this one for the axis. Axis 1 to 3 and axis 4 to 6. If you click this one, you have now the choices axis 1. If you click again, it will go to axis 4 and 6. This one is for the incremental. So deflections or speed of the joystick. Small, medium, or large. If the robot hits something and you want to move slowly, so you click this increment and you put small, medium, and large. Operating mode. When you are going to select the key switch to manual mode, you will be able to move the robot by dragging it or stepping it to the routine or program. On the upper taskbar, after you acknowledge the alarm, it will also state the motor on or off or guard stop. The guard stop means one of the safety circuit is open. Example, door open, light curtains, or scanner is obstructed and should be rectified first before your motor will turn on. So this is how you're going to acknowledge. You're going to press this one to acknowledge the alarm. So after you acknowledge the alarm and you don't have problem, so you press this one and it will indicate here motor on. Enabling device button, 3 positions. This is the enabling button. If you are not going to press it, it will indicate guard stop. So let's read this one. The enabling button has 3 positions and can only be operated at manual mode, up to 250 mm per second of the speed and velocity. The button should be in the middle for the motor to energize. So for the motor to energize, it should be in the middle. If you are going to press it, if you're going to press it all the way, it will indicate guard stop, which means safety circuit is open. If you're not going to press it, it will still specify on the teach pendant that it says guard stop or the circuit is open. Recovering e-stop. Locate the emergency stop that has been pressed. Investigate if it is accidentally hit by the operator or being pressed because there is real emergency that can harm to machineries and or operator. Linear jog type. Access servo 1. This is the access servo 1. It will do clockwise, it will do counterclockwise. Clockwise is the positive, counterclockwise is the negative. Allows the robot to turn from left to right. This access permits the robot to pivot up to full 180 degrees range from the center point. Access 2. This access permits the lower arm of the robot to move forward and backward. This will move forward and this one will move backward. That is access 2. And for access 3, this axis moves the robot's vertical extend forward and extend backward, or it will extend lower arm. You can do extend up. Oh, sorry about that. Previews. You can stand backward, you can stand forward. So this is the access servo number 3. Access servo 4 and 6. So this one, axis, it rotates the upper arm in a circular motion. If you are going to rotate axis 4, this one will rotate clockwise for positive and counterclockwise for negative. This one. Axis 5, the robot arm to tilt up and down. This one, it will move up, it will move down. That is the axis 5. And for axis 6, permit it to rotate openly in a ring-shaped motion. This one here, this one will rotate clockwise, and this one will rotate counterclockwise. If you have the tooling here, so it will rotate clockwise, it can rotate counterclockwise. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and like it. Thank you. Have a good one.